Okay, with the cute girls in the background, I decided I'm going to put the U-clip on the bottom of the thing, like so, and see if I can have it lined up for when I slide it on. Maybe it'll work a little easier to get in. Take a screwdriver and slowly nudge it up. And there it is. So that was the trick. There you go. You have a complete door assembly that works. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the switch on and make sure everything works still. And we should be good to go.
Test windows and the door locks.
Testing windows, door locks, and anything else. There's our door opening, so it works. Here's our door closing. Here's a door lock. Does not work. And let me get the windows. If you'd like to hold on a second. Here the windows are working. Everything looks like it's good. Go ahead and raise the screen. And there you have it. A complete redo of the door latch actuator assembly. And hopefully this will, when I post it, will help someone and many other people, because the Honda dealerships do not want to post a recall. And I think they should, because there are issues with this. Thanks, and have a great day.